Welcome to our channel. If you want to use promotional stacking strategies to maximize your free trial time across multiple offers, follow these step-by-step instructions to ethically combine promotions for extended access. Step 1. Research which services explicitly allow promotional stacking by reading their terms of service and frequently asked questions sections, as some platforms permit multiple promotions while others prohibit it. Step 2. Identify compatible promotion types that can be combined, such as new user trials followed by seasonal promotions or credit card offers stacked with student discounts. Step 3. Plan your promotional sequence strategically by mapping out which offers to claim first and in what order to maximize your total free time with the service. Step 4. Start with the longest or most valuable trial first, such as an annual promotion. Then layer shorter-term offers afterward, rather than vice versa. Step 5. Keep detailed records of each promotional code used, including the source, redemption date, and expiration date, to track your total accumulated free time. Step 6. Monitor your account status regularly to ensure each promotion is properly applied and not conflicting with previous offers in a way that shortens your total free period. Step 7. Set calendar reminders for several days before each promotional period ends to research whether new stackable promotions have become available. Step 8. Be transparent about your stacking strategy if you contact customer service for any issues, as attempting to hide promotional stacking may violate terms of service and result in account termination. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.